Hi, this is Joyce, Delightful Quilting and Sewing, a knolting dealer in Avon, New York. So you're wondering why I'm showing you a Gammill machine today? Well, we are actually in Pennsylvania, down near Harrisburg, doing an IQ install, an IntelliQuilter install on this Gammill Classic Plus. So this is kind of what it looks like when we do an install. We lay out our tools like this. Everything organized, all the parts get laid out. Those are the instructions. Some more stuff over on this side. There's the covers for the motors because we've already installed some things on here already. So you can see right here we've got our docking station is already on here. Before I was inside the cover here putting the electronics into the head of the machine because it goes into it integrates with the single stitch and the on-off of the machine, and so you have to get into the electronics, and on this one it's done up here on the front. And docking station is on. Our thread brake sensor right here is already installed and plugged in. We've got to plug this in to the docking station yet, and there's a little bit more on the wiring that we have to do. And so over here, oh yeah, here's another thing down here. Front motor has been put on, and I'm not sure if Ron he's done some adjustment on this. Right there is the side motor right there. And let's see what's going on the back of the machine here. Okay, so there we go. And there's Ron down there. No, he's not taking a nap right now. He's actually installing the little silver box that is part of the system that goes way up underneath there. It gets zip tied up underneath there, and that is the power box kind of. Out of that comes the cord that goes to the docking station for the power for the tablet, as well as the power for the motors comes out of there. So it looks kind of confusing at this point. We've got a little bit more to do. A little bit of adjustment probably to the motors once we get it started. But we're coming along pretty good on this installation. And when we get done, Gina's going to have a nice IQ system all set up here, and she'll be cranking out quilts like crazy. So that's it for Tech Tuesday today. Just wanted to show you what it's like on an install. We've been working on this since about 9 o'clock or so this morning, and it's just after noon, and we've got some more things to do. This power cord right here, all of the rest of the wiring harness right here in my hand. We have a plug that goes to each of the motors that I have to run yet, and one that goes up to the back of the docking station that we've got to take care of. Once we get all of that hooked up, then we'll be ready to turn it on and start it up and test it out. So that's it for Tech Tuesday today. Hope you've enjoyed this little tour of how to install an IQ. Have a great week quilting.